All right, we've had a baby wake up since the last video, so hopefully he cooperates for this one. Let's see how it goes. Now we are writing an equation where the x-intercepts are -2 and -1. So remember, if x equals -2, the factored form is x plus 2. If x equals -1, x plus 1 is the factored form. And it's going to pass through the points -3 and 20. That's going to help us find our a value or the stretch. So if you think back to the real world example that had that -16 there, that told us the stretch. It has to do with the gravity. So what that would look like would be y equals a times one factor times the other factor. And the only thing we don't know is a, because we can use this point. The y coordinate is 20, the x coordinate is -3, and we plug it in at both spots. So -3 plus 2 is -1, -3 plus 1 is -2. So that is 2. And when I divide by 2, that gives me 10. So a is 10. If you just leave it in factored form, sorry, baby kicking, this would be my final answer. Okay? Now, if you want to put it in standard form, like we were doing in the last section, you would do x times x is x squared, x times 1 is 1x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2. Then we're going to multiply all of that by 10. So 10x squared. I'm actually going to combine first. So x plus 2x is 3x. And then times that by 10 to get 30x. And then 10 times 2 is 20. And last, if I could get this to load, there we go. So 10x squared plus 30x plus 20. If I look at that table, does that go through the point -320? And it sure does. That's my way to check my answer. So that is all about factored form and all the cool things that you can do with factored form of a quadratic.